Ready to grow your Amazon KDP business to $100,000? This roadmap will help you get started and reach your financial goals. Selecting the right niche is essential. Research profitability and focus on popular niches like nonfiction or fiction. Research profitability using tools like Publisher Rocket to find high-demand, low-competition niches. Focus on creating valuable content for your books, whether they are nonfiction or fiction. For nonfiction, write guides or how-tos, and for fiction, craft engaging stories. Publish multiple books for a higher chance of success and aim for regular releases. Target new releases monthly and create series for repeat customers. Optimize your listings to enhance visibility using effective titles and descriptions. Use keyword research for discoverable titles and compelling descriptions that highlight your book's value. Leverage Amazon ads to boost your sales starting with a low budget to test your strategy. Adjust your ads continuously based on performance for better returns on investment. Build your audience through effective marketing strategies across platforms. Promote on social media and build an email list while collaborating with other authors. Expand your offerings with print and audiobooks to boost your sales. Utilize print on demand for paperbacks and convert your ebooks into audiobooks for more revenue streams. Outsource tasks and use automation tools for efficient scaling of your KDP business. Hire freelancers for writing and design, and use automation tools for marketing. Regularly monitor your business performance and optimize your strategies. Analyze KDP reports and adjust pricing and Amazon ads for better results. Building a $100,000 business takes time, so stay consistent and patient. Keep publishing consistently and refining your strategies to achieve long-term success. Achieving $100,000 with Amazon KDP is possible with the right approach and strategies.